Hey collaborators, Logan here with this week's episode on how to write alt text to help with SEO. In this video, I'll explain what alt text is, why alt text is important, and what alt text looks like and how to use it. Alt text or alternative text, also known as alt attributes, alt descriptions, or sometimes alt tags, are used within an HTML code to describe the appearance and the function of an image on any page. So you enter that alt text when you're uploading media to your website, and you can edit it afterward as well. It's not set in stone. The cutoff for alt text is about 120 characters, so you do have to be brief. For links to the blog on this topic, as well as the websites we use as examples, head to the video description below. Now, alt text is important because, first of all, adding alt text to photos is a principle of web accessibility. So visually impaired users who are using screen readers will be read in alt text by their computer to better understand the on-page image and how it fits in with the text around it. Alt text is also displayed in place of an image if that image file can't be loaded. So if the connection is interrupted or there's an error on your website, at least that alt text is still going to be displayed even if the image can't be. And alt text also provides better image context and descriptions to search engine crawlers so that they can better index your images and your website and know what it's about. All right, let's take a look at some alt text in the wild. So here we're on the Doritos website, Cool Ranch, of course. The alt text for this image is Doritos Cool Ranch flavored tortilla chips. But a way we could improve that is that we could give the size and color of the bag as well to help people understand that better. So you could write 9 3/4 ounce blue bag of Doritos Cool Ranch flavored tortilla chips. Another alt text example out in the wild would be at the State of Minnesota business page. So here we have an image, and the alt text says a person addressing a group. It really says that? A person addressing of a group of people in an office. I'm sorry, it really does say that. But a person addressing of a group of people in an office. Now, that's okay. That's pretty good alt text. I mean, it's a little weird, but at least it gets your point across. If it were to just say something like office, which a lot of websites do, they just have a one-word description, or they use the file name just as the alt text. That's not as good. That's okay. It's not good though. But this is pretty good. Other places can often leave the alt text blank, so they'll just have quote. No, that's a big no-no. There's no description there, nothing to help the search engine or the visually impaired person figure out what this image is about. Another big no-no is kind of keyword stuffing the alt text, which is something people used to do a long time ago. So something like business people, person, talking, speech, business person, business people, office, learning, computers. No. So next time you upload an image to your website, look at your options. There should be an alt text input box similar to this. Well, in our next video, we're going to be looking at memes. Really, guys? Memes? All right, we'll see you next week with memes. Thanks for watching. If you're on YouTube, check out our other Marketing Monday videos on the left. If you're watching this on Facebook or elsewhere, follow the link in the description to our YouTube channel to help you learn how to develop your website and handle digital marketing for your company.